So create a new file, uh, file upload, that spec.js, right? So you can do const what is this? Import, you can do import test expect playwright, right? So then simply you can do file upload test. So test block. So test block we are starting, and the title of the test and asynchronous function. So this is the page promise it is returning, and then you are awaiting for the page to upload file. So maybe I'll do upload then we'll click on that. Okay, we'll click and we'll go there. So understand the navigation, go back, there is a file upload, click on file upload link. So understand this, it's a link, right? You can write a link text file upload. So click on file upload link. So await page dot click. Either you can do get by role link equal to file upload, or you can write page dot click. I can write XPath also, right? I can write a XPath. So // a tag. So text file upload. So simply you can do that. So wait for the file upload page to load. I can wait. So wait for selector. I can wait for the selector. So you can wait for the selector input type file. So let's see what is that. Click on this file upload and this one. Or you can use for this header also. Any selector. So this is the h3 tag. You can wait for the h3 tag, or you can do just a file upload id hash. So wait for selector hash id value. So I can simply use hash id value. Type, they took a type file, but the hash id value you can use simply. So instead of all this, I can use hash id value. Okay. So then, so you just give the which file you want to upload. So just select which file you want to upload. Const file path. So I want to give this file path. Let's take this one of the file. Any file you take. So it can be, I'm just going to give this one of the files. This path, and you take any file, okay? Just give the file path. The file is drag and drop PNG. Second view, drag and drop dot png. Okay, so that's the file I want to upload. Then await page dot set input files, right? So the location, so where you want to set that input files and the file path. This is the file path. Then click on the upload button, right? So once you upload here, so then click on upload button. So upload button, you need to click. So what is the upload button functionality? The locator. Here you can see file submit hash this ID value. Okay, hash ID value. So you are just clicking on that. So verify that the upload was successful. So then you have to see. So uploaded file name, and you just click on this. Let me go there. Select one of that, and I want to verify this heading also. So H3, there is H3 tag, have text. I can simply say that before this I want to verify file uploaded. Wait for the upload to complete and result to be visible. But we don't need that. Wait for selector they are using. Not required this one. No, we don't need this. So it will be already taken care. So verify the file uploaded text, header text. Okay, so and console.log and just printing, you get that, and then expect. So expect await that expect header text to contain file uploaded. So this is the one way to do that. Directly you can give this locator and to contain file upload. So that is also fine. So then you get this this text, this file. So there is a div ID upload files. So you get that. So if await page dot locator upload files text content. So it will give you the text. So you print the uploaded file name, and then so just so await expect uploaded file name to contain so our file name. What is our file name? So drag and drop. Okay, so that's it. So let's run this. So I can do this instead of this one. I can simply write this. We don't need that. I can simply write here page dot locator. We don't need this. Just a verification. Await expect paste dot locator, right? To have a text. So instead of contain, to have a text. We have a to have a text, right? That method you can use. File uploaded. Okay, that's it. Simple. You can. If there are multiple files, I told you you have to use the array concept. Just give array all the file names. So that's so easy. For example, you kept the file under this folder. So how to resolve that? So then you can put a path dot resolve method is there. That also, let me show you that also. Let's run this first. Then we can go for that concept. So let me run this. Come out from this and then just run the file upload spec. Oh, there is some failure. There is the failure. Okay, import. I don't need this, I think. Require. Yeah, require is not required here. So import if you use just from Playwright. That's it, right? We don't need that. If you use const test expect, then you need a equal require Playwright test. But if you use import, you don't need this. Yeah, when in the red color, you cannot run, guys. There is some issues that will so throw an error for you. So don't run the file if there is a compilation issues. File upload spec.js. Okay. Oh, it failed. Let's see what is the failure. No such file or directory.
Yeah, I think to choose the file, we need to click on the choose file, right, sir? Button.
No, set input file will taken care, but I have given here the slash is missing.
Okay.
So that is the, see, you can see the path here. So Java programs, Playwright, why this path we have given properly, right? It's not taking that. Okay. So I think we have to give forward slash. Uh, yeah, let's see now. So generally we won't keep in the from the system, right? Always you'll keep in your project only somewhere in the one of the folder. That I'll show you how to run, how to do that easily. So it will take the project path and it will run. See, done. So you have to give forward slash, not backward slash. So run successfully. Clear? Set input files. See how much code it is reducing. If you want to upload a file in Java, how much code we have written? Did you remember that? So how many lines of code we have written? We have used auto it tool, and we have used a robot class. Again, we have to write so much code, right? So all this we can overcome. Okay. Suppose if I kept here, there is a file and test data files. For example, you have a folder, one more folder here. Let me create one folder here. One folder here. No, I don't want here. It should be above. So come out of that. Just above, and this one node modules. Yeah. If it is not, let's create a. See, it is going here. Let's create, okay, test data. So I'll keep outside. I'll drag and drop here, and it will come out. Right? It will come out automatically. Okay? Right? Project below test data. Here you kept the file, any kind of file. Okay? So maybe I'll just drag and drop one of the file here. So let me see, any PDF files are there. Downloads, any PDF file. Yeah. Yeah, this is the one. I want to keep this under this folder. Oh, where it is? Yeah. Okay. So my file is here under test data. So now let's see how to upload file from the current project directory. Right? So let's take this same thing. I'll take up, or another test case we can write, right? So another test. I'll write another test. Multiple files upload. We don't have that. If we have, we can see this example we want, the website we want. Okay, file upload. I can see file upload within the project root directory. Okay, so the file is in the project root directory. Okay, so how to do that? Similar, every test case you can make it independent, right? And then so this one I have to make it a, see how to make that simple const file path, right? I'm going to give this simply. You have to give path dot resolve, and it's a function, resolve function. So path dot resolve function, then you can give underscore dir name comma, so that means current directory path it will take. Okay, current working directory path. Then you give the subfolder inside that. That is, we have a test data, right? Test data, then your file name. So what is the file name? You give the, so file, what is this file? Playwright underscore playwright underscore installation underscore step dot pdf. That is the one. Then pass this file path. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
The name is steps. S is missing. Steps. Steps.pdf file.
Steps. Okay. Steps. Steps.pdf. Okay. Click on upload button. Then wait for the file uploaded header text. Then you verify the uploaded success, right? Uploaded file, you fetch it and to contain, so this file. Both the test cases. Okay, that's it, how we can run both the test cases. Let's run both the test cases. Second test case, within the project it didn't run. Path is not defined. Okay, so what is the issue here? You have to import the path. This is right from the path. So you have to import that. So here you have to import that. Import, or you can just declare import path from path. So that is the one you have to do. So this was missing. So without import, this path variable is coming from this path. So that is important. That's what I am using. And if it doesn't find, and you will get these errors. And run this. But if you read the errors, and you can easily catch it them. See that it is very clearly saying path is not defined. That means path is not imported. That's the meaning of that. You haven't imported, and also marking very clearly. So path is it's saying, see this line. Which line you have error also it is showing. That's a good thing for us. Selenium, you won't get this. Yeah, we have to make a mistakes and correct it so that it will be good for us. 5 seconds it will wait. Still failing. So what is the root cause? Wait. No such failure directory. Again. Oh, playwright installation steps. Oh, it is looking for under test. Hyphen there means it is looking. It is looking under test and test data, but it's not under test, right? My file is. Let me check with the chat GPT. So my file is not under test folder, which is under root project test data folder, and fix the issue. So it is saying, thanks for the clarification. If your file is in test data folder at the root of the project and your test files are inside a test folder, you will need to go one directory up. Okay, so one directory upwards we have to go from the test file to access the test data folder. Okay, got it. So what we need to do, simply one level up you go. How to go one level up? See this. So wherever you are giving here, right? This one here. So this hyphen there will look for the test directory. That means this one. It is looking for test directory. But this test directory upwards, this test data file is there. So before this, you just give so double quotes, single quotes or double quotes, two dots. So two dots will tell us it is upwards the test directory. Where your test cases upwards, it is going to look for this folder. Under that folder, it will look for this. So that's the fix. Okay, so just export this. Yeah, see both are passed now, right? So both tests are working perfectly. In one file, we have written two test cases. Okay, any questions here? Sorry, Surya, you just joined. I saw it.
Yes, Ramesh, I just joined. Just now
Yeah.
our issue got resolved. I mean,
Oh,
it's across both our Medline or B2C2.
oh, okay, okay.
It just
So,
started at 8:10.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I'll go through this today now,
yeah,
your video.
Yeah, basically we are just discussing first part we discussed is soft assertion example, and second part I was explaining about file upload,
Okay.
how to upload the file. So there is a method, simple method, set input files. Okay, set input files and just give your path. Automatically it will take so wherever your file is there.
Okay.
So that's a simple. Otherwise, in Selenium, right, how much code we need to write. So this is a simple one method only, and you give your path. So this path dot dir, right, that will go for the test directory in your project. So this is the test directory. If you
Okay.
put outside of this test directory, you just give dot dot. That's what we are we resolved the issue. So this dir name will look for the test directory inside. If this file is there inside, it will automatically take it up. This folder, one level up of this test directory, and then there is a test data folder. The test data folder inside, this is the file name.
Okay.
I want to upload. Then it will, so just give the set input files method. Then you pass the locator and the file path and click on upload button. Okay. So multiple files also you can add, but we don't have multiple files. But yeah, this is the one same method, set input files, but you have to give array. Multiple files you have to give. So path.giant, their name, file 1, file 2, like that you can add multiple files. So you can add multiple files also. You can upload even directories also. So with all this simple path dot this.
And that validation, right? Once it is uploaded, whatever is displayed on the screen, we can capture that.
Yeah, we can capture that.
Okay.
So that's what
Because
we captured this, right? You see this. Where is this upload file? File upload. File upload. Yeah. So this one I'm so capturing. For example, you take this upload, and this one is done. This one we are getting this
yes.
text. This text, and you can just verify that this is the one we are doing. Contain that
Okay.
file name. The file name is
Okay.
there now in that location. So this is the one way, or the other option is you can see uploaded buffer from memory also, you can check that. So the file mem type and buffer dot, this is a test, but this one is instead of this, and this is the best approach, right? We exactly getting and same file is there or not, we can check that. So you get the text of that file and then assert it with a expect method. It will
Okay.
assert that. Okay. That's the how to upload files and how to do assertions. So tomorrow I'll show you how to download files, and then we can move on. And also some keyboard actions we'll do. Drag and drop, how to do, and mouse over. Mouse over already we have seen, right? I think hover method we have seen. But yeah, maybe I'll show you drag and drop, double click. So all these actions how to perform, I'll show you that. And also download files. And then we have to see the handling multiple windows, and frames how to handle, alerts how to handle. So these are the things pending tomorrow, and we'll continue. Mostly we'll finish so by next week this playwright part, and then we'll go for the framework. Okay, framework is the main thing we need to focus.
Okay.
We'll design a page object model framework, and then how you can do that. And I'll show you how to read. Mainly, we need in the real time how to read the data from JSON, how to read the data from Excel sheet, how to read the data from CSV file. All this I'll show you, so that will be very helpful for you in the real time. So that's where the scenario data driven how to do, right? So these things you will get scenarios. For example, you want to test your scenario with multiple users. How can you do that data driven? And that data you are storing in the Excel sheet or in the JSON file or in the CSV file. How can you read that? So that I'll show you. Okay. That's a really very, very useful use cases. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.